Hello friends, in this video we're gonna discuss about how you can roll back your plugins and theme in WordPress. If you're not sure what is meant by plugin rollback, then let me give an example of my blog and let me tell you what is called rollback. So let me go to my WordPress dashboard. Let me log in to my dashboard. Let me go to plugins. So as you can see, there is a list of plugins that is installed. So if you take any plugin, so it has a version number. Say for duplicate, we have the version 1.3.2.2. Then we have Astra Pro. So this is the version number for duplicator. Now what happens that maybe you have updated to the latest version, but you might be facing some issue after updating and you want to go back to the older version. So how you can do that? Directly there is no option. If you go to repository also, there is no option to download the older version. But with the help of one plugin, you can roll back to a previous version of any plugin of WordPress. And the plugin name is WP Rollback. So let me search that and let me install that. As you can see, like here is about 1 lakh downloads for this plugin, so it's a quite good plugin. So let me install that and then activate. So once activated, you can see a small rollback option for all the plugins. This plugin will work only for those plugins which are downloaded from WordPress. As you can see, Astra Pro, that is no option for rollback because it was downloaded from Astra website, not from WordPress website. So this plugin will roll back only plugins which were downloaded from a WordPress repository. Now let me click on rollback, and as you can see, like it is asking which version you want to go back. This is a installed version, which is the latest one. I can go to any version I want. So let me go to 1.2.52. So it is saying is the installed version and which is the new version. Now click on rollback. So the plugin has been rolled back. Click on activate the plugin. Now if you go to the plugin, you can say it is asking for the update, and you can see like 1.2.52 is the plugin that is installed right now. If you want, with the help of this plugin, you can roll back your theme as well. So let me show you that. Let me go to themes. Again, themes which are downloaded from WordPress repository, this plugin will work only for those themes. So you can see there is the option for rollback. So friend, that's all I have in this video. I hope you got some idea how to roll back plugins, how to roll back themes to a previous version. Thanks for watching.